Oh, I ripped.
How the Aki lunch for my husband. Hey, 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 hey. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today we're doing a little Christmas decorating. We already got a little head start because I don't know what the hell I'm doing, first of all. This year's theme is like 90s clutter, very unmatchy theme, a nostalgic Christmas, which let me tell you, it really is. Because right now the stores are full of back in the day decor, and I'm like watching and I'm like, we are gonna be decorating our tree very nostalgic, very 90s, very back in the day, very cozy, all of that stuff. We already bought everything we had to buy. The only problem is where the hell we're gonna put this Christmas tree.
We fucked up.
We have a big Christmas tree and nowhere to put it. Let me show you guys where we think it's gonna go. I'm almost sure it's not gonna fit there, but I'm gonna try to make it work. This corner.
So this side is about, it's like 3 feet.
Yeah, I don't
And
think
our tree's like, I mean, I don't know. I don't remember how big the tree was.
it was
I
big.
just know that it's 7 feet tall. Or
And they're
9 feet.
fat.
Yeah, so, but this is like the only spot that we have to put the tree. So we have one more spot that we could put that tree, and that would be right there where that big couch is at.
But I kind of wish it would be here because it would give the vibes, you know? Option number one, if it doesn't work out, this is a Christmas tree right here. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see our ornaments. This is the corner where we would put the other tree. I mean, the tree right here. But we would have to figure out something to do with this couch. Actually, I've been wanting to get rid of this couch, but then I don't want to get rid of it because I'm like, you know, it's a big leather couch. It's a big leather couch, like, you know.
It doesn't go with our other stuff that we have in the house. So.
It doesn't go, but it does go very good on my ass when I sit down. So let's go put on that tree before the kids get here so they can help us decorate it.
All right, we're gonna start by removing everything from there.
Bring the piece of the tree that's gonna prove me right.
That's not gonna fit?
Yes, because there's no way a Christmas tree is this skinny.
It does fit, man.
Jose, how does it fit?
See, it's not even that big. See, look.
Jose, it
Perfect.
Maybe we scoot the couch a little bit more that way.
Barely even touching the wall.
Look
man.
at the things over here though. They're like smashed. No, I cannot. I cannot have this be like this.
The tree is staying here.
No. How are you gonna put this fedas? How are you gonna put the lights?
It comes with it has built-in lights. You don't have to put no lights.
No,
on
I bought lights so I can put the big ones.
After a light?
Yes.
So the problem is that we have a couch here, and if we scoot the couch more that way, the couch is gonna be on our hallway.
Let me see. Scoot the tree more forward.
I think it looks fine, right? Just
No.
leave it like that. Plus, look, it's only this side because the top piece it goes a little bit smaller. It's just this side, right? The bottom piece.
Can we have it like?
But scoot it more back though.
I know, but when we're decorating, can we decorate it like more like
Yeah.
this forward?
Yeah, we could have it. We'll
back?
do it like we could slide the tree. We'll put the tree here. We'll do everything, then we'll slide it back.
I want to go bring the rest of the pieces. I want to see what it looks like.
It gets smaller.
Okay, I want to see what it looks like. I'm stressed out now.
Hold on. Oh, you know what? Just to try it out, I guess, like that. But it's not, it didn't click. She said it was a big tree. It's not even that big.
It's big.
It's only like a 7-foot tree by like, maybe like 3 feet wide. This is me, look.
I wish you guys can see the Mickey Mouses they did for this tripod because I lost the part for the freaking thing.
They can watch. I mean, it works, man. Look, a scrunchie. I mean, actually, just, and then the tripod. Yeah. So this side, you gotta line up the arrows here. There we go. That one went in easy. There. Now, just power it up. Moment of truth. Ah. Wait, what happened?
Great, now you broke it.
Oh, there it goes.
I
wish you a Merry Christmas.
Show the settings.
I wish you...
Oh. color.
I see.
We love the tree. It is full. Lights are everything. You can put them bright, as warm as you like. I think it even has like a little pattern.
We're gonna do that one, huh? Because we're going for the 90s vibe.
Yeah, we're going like colorful, clutter. Trust me, when I heard like, oh, 90s is back in, I was like, this is my time to shine. When it comes down to decorating, especially for Christmas, I'm like, I feel so much pressure because I'm like, am I doing too much? Do I have to be like everybody else and just get white Christmas lights? Keep it in a theme, only red and gold, only blue and silver. And it's like, it's cute, it's aesthetic, it looks nice, it looks elegant, but do the kids really feel
I have
that
never liked
Christmas?
that. I have never liked that whole white tree and all that stuff.
You have never had any opinions when it comes down to our trees. You just sit there and you just let me buy everything.
Well, yeah, but I'm more like this. Like I want it like to be colorful.
Why?
Because that's Christmas. I don't know.
Does it
red?
Does it remind you of like your childhood?
Kind of, yeah. My mom.
See,
Look, hold on. Okay, so my mom would buy like those lights that were like, you know, the ones that chase each other, the ones that, you know what I'm talking about, the ones that move.
I'm sorry, he was born 1960, so I don't know what lights he's talking about.
Is
it an antique?
Color. I don't even know. My mom used to put those type of lights on the tree, so I was always used to seeing those type of lights on the tree. And then when I got with her, it was like it's either gonna be all white, all blue, all red, all pink, like just one color. Even like the ornaments, the ribbons, and all that stuff.
Because that's how my mom was.
Whack.
So whenever we were kids, we'd always go to my aunt's house, and she would decorate her tree like this, like colorful and like.
The kids are small, so they just put whatever they want on there. Like they're not gonna be like, oh, it's white. Let me just only put white because that's boring. Me personally, I think like just one color is boring. It's whack.
No,
when it's colorful,
it's
you know that the kids are gonna like it, and I feel like Christmas is more for like
the kids. I do agree with the whole colorful things because maybe mentally I was so used to my mom just being perfect, because my mom has always been like that mom who's always has everything clean, everything perfect, everything match, everything, all of that. And I am not. I am the complete opposite, but I had all that pressure to be that matchy, clean, aesthetic person. But now this whole Christmas is now a vibe again. It's like, de aquí soy. We're not even gonna, well, we are trying, but we're not trying. But let me show you guys the lights that we bought for this tree. No!
You gotta put every focal on one by one?
And it's missing one!
What the heck? You didn't notice that? Oh, you can't even see it, huh? You couldn't.
No,
what a rip-off. Look. We have to put the bulbs on.
So, should we have the lights on for the kids and the kids just put the esperas? That way we can like do it faster? Or,
Yeah, we should put the lights on and they will just come and help us do the ornaments and all that. Does it matter on what pattern I make them? I heard that whenever you put focals on, that you're supposed to wear gloves. You have oils on your fingers and those oils get hot and that's how your focals burn out fast. What idea was that? Because then we can't get rid of these boxes.
Look at the lights, what they look like.
Now it's time to put up the lights. So let's go.
You sound like you're making a tutorial. Now we're gonna
Step number one.
Now we're gonna fluff the tree. All right, guys, we finished fluffing the tree. We're gonna put the lights up and down like this. Instead of doing this, we're gonna do this.
Up and down?
Yes.
Why up and down? See, I don't know what year she was. I know she was born like in the early 20s. Back in my days, we used to put the lights around the tree.
We're smarter, not harder. If you go around, we barely fit back there. That means that we're gonna have to like freaking squeeze in the whole time. If you go up and down, you only go.
But you're gonna see the cable. If you at least if
you're gonna tuck it.
How? How are you gonna tuck that? Show me.
You have to stick them in here like this. The lights.
Well, I have never in my 27 years of life have I heard of that before. So, let me see. I have never seen that or heard of it, somebody running their lights like that. What about all this right here, like on?
Don't question me.
But you know what you're doing, right?
I know, but you're supposed to turn them on. Don't tell me anything. Tell the decorator people that I follow. Let's put them on and then judge later. You think about things too much.
I don't know. The way you're putting on the lights is kind of weird.
Okay, so you want to put them around.
What if we do this? We'll put the top one, right? You put the top one, you'll grab the light and I'll spin the tree from the bottom.
No.
And then you just gotta. What?
Why are these lights hot?
I guess it's normal for them to get hot. So we're putting the lights on again, but we're not gonna run them like this, like up and down. That's kind of weird. I don't know. We're gonna do them around the tree like a normal person. We'll put them around the tree. But we came up with the game plan. The game plan is that I'm gonna stand right here, and she's gonna turn the tree, and I'm gonna just be. So this is the plan right here. Watch. There you go. Yeah.
Chestnuts toasting on an open fire. Are you keeping in mind how many lights you got left?
Yeah, I still have a little bit. Looking around that Christmas tree, and the holidays, crusty toes and my skin on ha ha ha. You will see no
Why is it getting tight?
You never heard of that song? No.
No, but my brain is screaming, and you are like screeching my freaking ear like freaking nails on a chalkboard.
But every time we put songs on YouTube, it always gets copyrighted, so we have to be the ones doing the singing.
Can you like not put them the way you're putting them all tight?
I wasn't trying to, but you were spinning them really
Like
fast.
that fucking tree. It's like
You were spinning the tree way too fast. I had to tell you to slow down like 5 times. Like, hey, slow down, slow down. You said no.
No mames, I told you to keep account of how you were doing it.
We still have enough. We still have all these.
That's only gonna go around like 1.5.
I'll go wider.
It's gonna look stupid.
No, it's not. Watch, look.
You're like hella overlapping them.
You were going too fast. I said it like 5 times. Like, slow down. Hello, slow down. Plus the plugs end up over here anyways. Watch.
You do know I'm a perfectionist, right?
Yeah, I know.
You do know there's a lot of things
you
that I
do know
will not
that
accept.
you have ADHD.
Okay, you do know there's a lot of things I would
go
not
one,
accept.
One half a spin more.
And this is one of them. See? You're not paying attention. Look.
I was telling you, hey, slow down, slow down. You're going too fast.
Turn on the LED ones. I want to see what it looks like.
I did turn them on. Wait a minute, what's going on?
The cable's probably loose. Let me see the cable.
What cable?
It's not loose at all.
No. Oh, I ripped.
How the did I'm spinning, huh?
It wasn't even connected.
So how did that happen?
We could do it's fixable. We could just while you're touching it, plugged in.
Is the camera on?
Yeah. We ripped the wire from spinning it. You were spinning it way too fast. I was telling you, slow down. Slow
No,
down.
it's just like culpa.
I said it like 5 times.
Was a stupid idea. Now you have to take all the focus. You're gonna have to continue tomorrow. I am redoing the lights again.
What the?
Okay. Trees, lights, check. And we're gonna put some of these beautiful beads. These are the ornaments that I got. Again, the vibe is like basically Christmas threw up all over your Christmas tree. That is the vibe.
Put it on, hook it on, hook it on. Oh, yeah! Woo!
Look.
Oh, is that Kevin from Home Alone?
Show the camera. Show the camera that you're shook.
Oh. Uh-oh.
He's shook it.
Are we gonna make this pretty cool?
There is no Itachi. Alright guys, clutter up that tree. I want to see it super cluttered. I want to see it full of ornaments, full of color, everywhere from top to bottom. So far, this is what it's looking like. It's looking nice and crowded. Now we're gonna add our personal touch, and we're gonna add all of like the personal ornaments that we have, like when the kids made them when they were kids, the ones that we bought that represent us. Joseph's little hand from 2021, so that means he was 2. He was 2 when he made this one. I think this one he made last year. We got this juice one for Josiah because Josiah his blood is 98% juice. That one is Gingy. Joseph picked it. And then the little ratatouille, that one's me. How cute. You picked that one for sister? I thought that was
Yoda.
Yoda.
Yoda's a Jedi in Star Wars, but in the Mandalorian it goes like a...
Oh.
Look, this one represents the wife because
They get
she
donuts
got love
every
from New York,
morning.
so we had to get the New York bagel.
I was like, they get donuts every morning.
And then Alize and her
There
Pepsi.
you
Look at her. Oh, we got
Beaver
Beaver Fever. That one's for Chochi. Josiah, you will never know what that is, huh? What is it?
It's a Sonic.
But what is it?
Alize, that's you right there.
A GameCube.
You?
You gotta go like this. You gotta push it in there.
Yeah, because you watched my snap. You watched my snap. Yes, you did. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of tinsel. Maybe this might
No
be a big
tinsel.
mistake, but we are all about mistakes.
Did you say steak?
Just give me all the presents in the tree.
Okay, you're gonna get the star and you're gonna just stab it on the top because it doesn't have a hook. Just stab it in there. You ready? Okay, let's go.
Can you reach?
Ready? Yeah. There you go.
Perfect. Now we need to turn on the tree.
Okay, moment of truth, Joseph. We're gonna smell the tree.
I get hermoso. I get
Yes,
hermoso. Turn him off.
Wait.
Moment of truth when all the lights are off.
Isn't it so pretty? Oh, music, music.
Then you gotta ruin your video.
Look at
All right, guys. So this is our beautiful 90s nostalgic tree. I actually love it. I think out of all the trees that we've done, I am obsessed with this one. And I think it has to do with like all the memory. It's like a beautiful sentimental tree. I love it. Do you love it? Rate it.
Like a
I'm
6.7.
gonna give it a 10. 10 out of 10.
Like we actually put a lot of thought to this
So-
one. I love it.
You like my Pikachu?
Now, on the next vlog, we'll show you guys the whole finishing house because I still got a lot of other like DIYs. Guys, it's literally November. Thanksgiving hasn't even happened. It's the first week of November. First or second? Second week of November. So there's still a lot of decorating to do. So we'll keep showing you guys as we finish decorating our house for our 90s themed. Thank you guys for following. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, all the platforms.
Off.
What?
I mean, you're mentioning all these.
All everywhere, guys. On to the next.